Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to enable sidebar in your IQOO smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First friends, you have to open your settings here. Then you have to go to the search. Here it is the search icon, and here you have to search here sidebar like this. And when you just search it, here it is the smart sidebar. You have to enable it from the accessibilities. You can enable it from the accessibilities also, and you can search in the settings also. So you have to enable it if you have not enabled it like this. And you can see the preview also how it works. You have to swipe left hand side like this side, and it will enable smart sidebar. When you just click on it, you can see YouTube is in floating window. This is how you can enable it, and if you want to remove this, click on this cross icon. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.